Looking for a powerful two-in-one laptop that blends performance, AI smarts, and OLED visuals in a sleek portable design? Meet the new Lenovo Yoga 714AKP10 powered by AMD's Ryzen AI 7350 with insane performance and Copilot Plus features. Let's dive into why this might be one of the best AI laptops of the year. The Yoga 7 features a premium aluminum unibody, sleek, lightweight, and finished in a beautiful seashell tone with sandblasting for that modern matte texture. It's got that signature two-in-one yoga hinge, letting you flip into tablet, tent, or stand mode effortlessly. Under the hood is AMD's Ryzen AI 7350, an 8-core, 16-thread beast with clock speeds up to 5.0 GHz. But the star of the show? The integrated Ryzen AI NPU delivering up to 50 TOPS, perfect for Microsoft Copilot Plus features, on-device AI editing, real-time translation, and more. 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5x RAM soldered on board means buttery smooth multitasking, and the 1 terabyte PCIe 4.0 SSD ensures lightning-fast boot and load times. Yes, it's upgradable with one M.22242 PCIe slot available. You've got Radeon 860M integrated graphics, capable of light gaming, 4K streaming, and smooth creative workloads, paired with 4 Dolby Atmos optimized speakers, 2 woofers, and 2 tweeters. You'll get immersive sound with punch and clarity. Now let's talk display. A 14-inch WUXGA OLED touch panel with 600 nits peak brightness, 100% DCI-P3, Dolby Vision, and Display HDR True Black 500. This thing is vivid, punchy, and looks stunning from any angle. Port-wise, it's generous. 2x USB-C, 1x USB-A, HDMI 2.1, a microSD reader, and even Wi-Fi 7 with Bluetooth 5.4 for ultra-fast wireless performance. HDMI 2.1, up to 4K/60 Hz. Keyboard backlit English touchpad, buttonless glass-like mylar surface, multi-touch touchpad, supports precision touchpad. Speakers, 4 stereo speakers, 2 watts by 2 woofers, 2 watts by 2 tweeters, optimized with Dolby Atmos. Inside, a 70-watt-hour battery delivers all-day juice, easily handling 8 to 10 hours of mixed use. The included 65-watt USB-C slim charger is fast, compact, and wall-mount style for better portability. The 5-megapixel plus infrared camera is sharp, great for video calls, and supports Windows Hello Facial Unlock. There's also a privacy shutter because security matters. The Lenovo Yoga 714AKP10 is a near-perfect balance of power, portability, and cutting-edge AI. If you're looking for a future-ready two-in-one that handles work, creativity, and entertainment, this is absolutely worth a look. Got questions or want to see this laptop in action? Drop a comment below and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for more tech reviews.